Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the iPhone so scanning is immediate. Unlock the device and open the native camera app. Choose photo or portrait. These prioritize autofocus and exposure. Make sure the lens is clean because smudges reduce contrast and slow detection. If you plan to scan from an app or wallet, enable camera access in settings first. Once done, hold the phone about 6 to 12 inches from the barcode. A steady frame speeds recognition and prevents repeated autofocus hunting. Now you frame and focus to trigger the scanner reliably. Point the camera so the barcode fills about 1/3 of the viewfinder and avoid cutting off edges. This gives the algorithm enough data to decode. Tap the screen on the code to lock focus and exposure. This prevents the camera from hunting and blurring. If detection fails, reduce glare by tilting at a small angle or enable the flashlight for dim scenes. Once the overlay or sound confirms recognition, prepare to interact with the result. Finally, act on the detected barcode and troubleshoot if needed. When a banner or pop-up appears, tap it to open a website, add a pass, or view product details. This is how camera hands off the decoded data. If nothing appears, close and reopen camera, clean the lens, or move slightly farther away. Sometimes 1/2 inch makes the difference. For persistent failure, try a dedicated scanner app, confirm camera permissions in settings, or restart iOS, because software hiccups can block recognition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.